We'll be monitoring Zello over the weekend here. I'll be jumping on here real quick to do a trend loop here for 06Z Saturday. This is guidance from Illinois Stormwatch. So we've been making some community discussions regarding this upcoming storm system. Nevertheless, this has a potential to be a major storm system to bring impacts to most of the central United States during the late Friday, early Saturday time frame. The GFS trends for Friday night into Saturday are shifting the warm sector of the system slightly to the northwest. This will bring the heaviest snow and freezing precipitation generally along and northwest of the Illinois Valley for Friday night. Heavy showers with embedded thunderstorms are likely Friday night across southern Illinois. This will likely change to snow across the lower Ohio Valley into the Midwest by late Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center here, we have a enhanced risk now issued here for Friday across most of the Arklatex into the lower Mississippi Valley vicinity with damaging wind gusts and tornadoes, the main threats. So we're looking at a potential squall line developing across the Interstate 35 corridor areas to the east, across into the Arklatex here during the late Friday hours, perhaps during the overnight as well. So these will be potentially more shear driven here, according to what the latest NAM model guidance is showing here. So again, and that risk does include a tidbit of southern Illinois across the Ohio Valley as well. This is generally around a Pittsfield, Decatur, Mattoon line and most points south and west for late Friday. Weather Prediction Center has given most areas along and northwest of the Illinois River a 4 out of 10 risk for widespread ice accumulation greater than 1/10 of an inch. Again, by Saturday morning, the European model is in general agreement, but slightly northwest regarding the placement of the freezing rain sleet line for Friday night. Same with heavy rain and storm placement. The NAM model guidance, again, is now showing early stages of event with storm initiation around Interstate 35 corridor and the Great Plains. Strong upper ridge building ahead of this, while surface low tracks over the southern high plains of the Rio Grande Valley by Friday afternoon, and this will track into the Arklatex into the Ozarks by Friday evening. The surface low will then push towards the Ohio Valley by daybreak Saturday. A strong negatively tilted trough will push in behind this and will change most of the precipitation across the northern tier of this to snow by late Saturday. A period of moderate to heavy snowfall is forecast from late Saturday into early Sunday. No consensus on exact accumulations. However, GFS is showing mostly widespread 2 to 4 inch snowfall with some heavier totals, with the main snowfall track across much of Illinois in general into the surrounding northern tier Midwest regions. The European model shows most of the snow falling generally I-55 northwest, this along with presumably most forthcoming medium-range model guidance would be in favor of heavier 3 to 6 inch totals with some heavier amounts generally northwest of the Illinois River. This has the potential to be an extremely dangerous weather situation. Major travel impacts will be likely. In addition to areas across the southeast, we'll be monitoring the severe risk for Saturday here. A lot of our thoughts here in the storm community discussion. Again, a strong kinematic environment. Again, a strong 50 to 70 knot low-level jet and very high instability, or we're at least seeing some preliminary CAPE values with the latter term models into the 1000s here, but that'll probably be more of the medium range models. However, again, a lot of us are saying at least enhanced to possibly moderate risk criteria. We'll keep an eye on that. Please stay tuned for updates and later developments.